Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Kawaii avocado cake toppers. Okay, so to begin with I took some green modelling paste, which I kneaded till pliable, then formed into a ball shape, and then I just formed it into an oval shape, which you can see here. And now I'm just going to make a little indent towards the top. Just going to roll up between my hands and my fingers just to get that avocado shape. Just going to narrow the bottom. I will leave a link to all the items used in this tutorial in the description. Okay, so as I'm making two avocados, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a knife and I'm just going to cut this in half. So now I've got my two avocado halves, and I'm just going to gently mould it so both sides look the same, shape of an avocado that's been cut. I'm also going to just pull one of the shapes out slightly so it's a little bit taller. Okay, just going to do the second one. So this is going to be the smaller avocado. I'm going to keep checking that I've got one a little bit bigger than the other. So it's just using my fingers just to create the shape and just smooth off the other side there. Okay. So once I'm happy with my shape, I'm just going to use my ball tool just to create a little oval hole for the stone. And do the other one. Okay, so I've just put the other one aside and I'm just using my bone tool just to create some holes for the eyes. Okay, and I'm just going to use my veiner tool to create a nice little smile. And there we go. Okay, so now I've got some darker green modelling paste, which I'm just going to roll out to about 3mm thick. Just going to check that it will go over my avocado shape. I'm going to add some clear alcohol, or you could use some edible glue. I'm going to make sure it goes all the way around, and then I'm just going to put it over my shape and then just gently tease it around so it completely covers my avocado shape. There we go. So now I'm just going to take my knife and just going to trim that. It's best to do it slowly because then you're not going to make any mistakes. And I can just pull that round. If you do it slowly, that will come together. Just add a little bit more glue. I'm just going to gently mould it around my avocado shape. And then once I'm happy, I'm just going to get my scissors and just trim away the excess. It does take a little bit of time, but you do get there. So now I'm just going to take my ball tool and just going to redo the hole that I did earlier because it's a little bit more deformed now, and I'm just going to use the top of my bone tool just to make it even more of like an egg shape really. Okay, just going to redo the eyes. So now I've just got some dark brown modelling paste which I formed into an egg shape, and I'm just going to stick that into position to be the stone. And there we go. And then I'm just going to put two balls of black modelling paste in the eye holes that we made. Just going to flatten them with my fingers. And then the same, just a small tube of black modelling paste. Just going to trim that to size. This is going to go in the little indent that we made for the mouth. So I'm just going to add some clear alcohol. Then I'm just going to pop that into the mouth area and use my brush to help secure it into position. So here I've just formed some really small balls of white modelling paste to be highlights for the eyes. And you can see here that I've just stuck them onto the blacks of the eyes at like 11 o'clock. And I've also used my small ball tool just to create two little holes in the cheek area. Just going to form two small pink balls of modelling paste for the cheeks. And now I'm just going to add some clear alcohols to the pre-made holes, and I'm just going to pop the pink modelling paste into the holes and flatten with my fingers. And there are the cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I made the eyelashes. So I've got a small piece of black modelling paste which I've rolled in my palm of my hand, and I'm just going to cut off the tapered ends there, they're very small. And I'm just going to use some clear alcohol to stick them into position. The damp brush will help pick up your tiny pieces of modelling paste, and then you can just use the brush to help shape. I'm also using my veining tool here to help give me that little flick. Okay, so now I'm going to make the bow, and I've got some pink modelling paste. So I've got one small ball, and I'm just going to have two bigger balls which I'm going to form into a little triangle shape. Just make sure they're the same size. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply a little bit of clear alcohol, pop the triangle shapes into position, and then I'm just going to use my modelling tool just to create some little crease marks. Okay, and I'm just going to pop that ball of pink modelling paste in the middle. So now I'm going to show you how to make the stalk for the avocados. So I'm going to start by using my ball tool to make a little hole at the top there. And I've just got some dark brown modelling paste which I'm forming into a stalk there. So it's going to be wider at the top, and I'm just going to be a little bit curved. And now I've got some of the darker green modelling paste that I'm forming into a flat leaf shape, and I'm just using my knife tool to create some veins. They seem quite big, but as soon as you pick it up you kind of squeeze it together, and then you get that nice sort of leaf shape. Okay, so I'm just going to make that hole a little bit deeper. Add some clear alcohol, pop my stalk into position. Oh, it just needs to be a little bit thinner. And there we go. I'm going to use my ball tool to help secure that and make room for the leaf. And then we're going to stick the leaf into position too. And there we go. Okay, so that's how to make your two different avocados. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to check out my other Kawaii cake toppers. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.